Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And in today's video I will show you the most beautiful room decoration. If you like, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So I hope all are you doing good. So let's start. You can see the first picture. The wall decoration is very beautiful. It is like a jungle, and you can see also the cups are there, decoration cups. And this is maybe kitchen, and inside the kitchen they made this decoration, very beautiful decoration. And you can see this also a bathroom. You can see outside this banana plants and this all looking very beautiful, open, very nice. Also decoration is very beautiful. You can see this also the here you can sit with your friends, families, guests, and more with people. And the decoration is beautiful, the backside wall and the outside looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful decoration in VIP room. It is dining table, and the mirror you can see, the down you can see very beautiful place. You can see the beautiful clock, and you can see the down the table, white color table, and the plants you can see small. It is not original, it is dummy. Because it's also the wall, blue color wall, looking very beautiful, blue or purple, greenish, sorry, green. Because it's also very beautiful, it's looking very beautiful and attractive. It is very nice. And you can see this one also the mirrors decoration, very beautiful decoration. It is like a gaming room decoration they did. And you can see this also the TV you can see, and the pictures you can see the dark and the wooden theme they give the decoration. And you can see this also the wall and the mirror you can see, the front mirror you can see, looking very beautiful decoration they did. In the table which is VIP room, can't tell anything. And you can see this one also the mirror, the flowers they put looking very beautiful and attractive, very good, very nice. And you can see this one also the beautiful wall decoration, the flowers you can see, blue color flowers, this and all looking very beautiful. Because it's also the beautiful decoration that you can keep your things here, anything you can keep. You can see it's also very beautiful place, the mirror and the lights and the down ground, everything is very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, the candles and the decoration that is very beautiful. The it is going down and like this, very beautiful looking. And you can see this one also the plants going here and there looking very beautiful. And you can see this one the decoration, the wooden decoration, gold lines in the decoration. You can see this one also the lights, very beautiful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.